Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore how to stay present and calm when faced with challenging news. Settle into a comfortable position. As you sit on your chair or cushion, gently close your eyes and notice your posture. Let your spine lengthen upward without hardening your back. As you rest your arms and hands comfortably, soften your shoulders. Relax your neck. And let any tension in your face and scalp melt away. Now, inhale deeply. And breathing out, release any expectations or apprehensions you have around your meditation practice. Again, breathe in deeply. And with your exhale, releasing your to-do list for the rest of your day. And again, expansive inhale. Exhale, releasing thoughts, distractions, and whatever you don't need to carry with you into your practice. And continue to take deep, slow breaths for a few moments, settling deeper and deeper into your practice with each one. Now, gently let your breath settle back into its spontaneous rhythm. Stay as present as you can, following the breath flowing in and flowing out. And now, we'll practice adding a pause at the end of each exhalation. These pauses can help calm our mind and our body. This can be a helpful way to anchor into our meditation practice, reducing the impact of thoughts or emotions that pull us away from being fully present. Let's try it together. We'll inhale for a count of 4, slowly exhale for 4, and then hold all the breath out for a count of 4 before starting the inhale again. So wherever you are in your breath cycle, exhale all the breath out now. And inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. If it feels okay, continue to breathe in this way. Find a pace that works for your body. And if you feel any tension around your breath, drop the count and simply return to your own natural rhythm. Just letting your breath do what it needs to settle back into ease again. And if you haven't yet, drop the count now and return to your natural inhales and exhales. Take a few moments to notice your experience. Notice how you feel. Now, let your attention gently widen. Receiving difficult news can feel overwhelming. We might experience a rush of anger or sadness. Perhaps there's a deluge of tears or our stomach grips and churns. It's normal to feel flooded with emotions, and it's important to give ourselves a chance to take in what is happening. But if we can remember to slow our breathing down, we develop the ability to feel what we're feeling and stay present, all at the same time. We can acknowledge the pain or the struggle without getting lost in our emotions. Each time we sit in meditation, we are teaching ourselves to create a calm mind. We are learning to better deal with emotional and mental adversity and pressure. We are building our capacity to stay present with whatever life brings. So the next time you find yourself facing bad news, take a few deep breaths in. Consciously lengthen your exhales. Drop into your breath and into your body, and notice your growing ability to stay present in the midst of the storm. Now, come back to your breath. Feel your body in space. Become aware of the room around you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. See you again tomorrow.